Yeah, so welcome to your first mock PI. So I'll just introduce you to the panelists. We have Vishal sir with us. He's the director of Pehel organization and a management expert. Also, we have Rashmi ma'am. She's a design educator and a fashion and textile designer from PP Savni University. So I would just request Rashmi ma'am to please continue and start the interview, please.
Yeah. Thank you, Jyoti. Um, Hello, Aishi. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. What about you?
Good. Can I have a quick introduction about yourself? What is your education background, and then which course are you would like to pursue?
Hello, ma'am. I am Ayushi Saini. I am born and brought up in Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I live in a joint family with my grandmother, parents, and younger siblings. After completing my schooling from St. Mary's Academy, Saharanpur, I have recently completed my graduation from National Institute of Fashion Technology in Fashion and Lifestyle Accessory Design. After completing in my college days, I got the opportunity to work under a craft-based graduation project which was sponsored by DC Handicraft under Ministry of Textile. I have also done an internship in a Jaipur-based firm, Shining Handicraft, where I got to learn the manufacturing processes of wooden decor and wooden furniture items. I have also explored Chamba leather craft, bamboo craft of Himachal Pradesh, wood inlay of Himachal Pradesh, and wood carving of Saharanpur.
Okay, you are in fashion and life accessory. Are you final year right now?
No, ma'am. I have graduated in 2020.
2020.
Yeah.
And then you're preparing for MFM now, masters.
Ma'am, I am aspiring for MDes.
MDes. Okay, great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you understand by textiles?
Ma'am, if I talk about textiles is a textile designer basically work on fabric, like work upon different type of prints, weaves, and textures, and there different techniques like tie and dye, bandhani. So it involves different processes of working on fabric.
Okay. So, did you do any specialization in accessories, like any footwear design or jewelry design or anything as such, or is it common?
Ma'am, I work on crafts.
Crafts.
Handicrafts, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Crafts of Himachal Pradesh.
Okay, what crafts? In which?
Ma'am, I have done my graduation project in pine needle craft. Since pine needles in Himachal Pradesh are the major factors which are causing forest fires in the area, so we have worked with the artisans, and we primarily focused two objectives over there. First one was to provide a new product category to the artisans using the existing techniques, which can help the designers which can help the artisans for providing the new product line. And for second, I kind of collaborated with NIT, National Institute of Technology, and we have treated the pine needle, and we have created the new techniques of pine needle embroidery in my second project.
Okay, I didn't get you the craft, pine embroidery, pine craft.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because pine are the thread-like structures, so they are very brittle. If we fold them, वो मुड़ जाते हैं. So we under the chemistry department of NIT Hamirpur, we treated the pine with different type of alkalines, and we gave them different treatments, and then we kind of sorted the pine needle in the thread-like structure so that it can be folded easily and embroidery can be done out of it. So we created different type of coasters from it, small pouches and bags out of it, using pine embroidery.
So why do you want to directly pursue masters? Why don't you want to have some work experience in this and then continue maybe pursue?
Ma'am, since I want to go in further in teaching line, so I want to prefer doing masters first.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you think it will help? How do you think it will help? Can you hear me?
Ma'am, please pardon.
How do you think MDes will help you?
Ma'am, since I have already mentioned that I have worked on different crafts and this whole thing. Now, since in my bachelor's, we have studied the different subjects in different semesters, like for a limited period of time. Now, I want to explore beyond it toward research, since my interest lies in societal design setup. So it will definitely help me there.
You want to go in teaching field, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In what category are you? What do you want to teach?
Ma'am, if I talk about like, since I am a graduate from lifestyle accessory design, then there are different subjects like range design, product collection, and all this type of thing where we design new kind of project and range, and it has different type of like exposure. It has very exposure. Like we come to know, like if there are 30 people in a class, then we come to know different ideas, different thinking. So it will definitely help for me as a person or as a designer for further learning also.
Okay. Which specialization would you like to choose in MDes?
Ma'am, I'm looking for societal design for society.
Design for society. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sir. Over to you, sir.
Hi Ayushi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, so like just a brief idea about your family.
Sir, I live in a joint family with my grandmother and my parents, who both are teacher by profession, and my younger siblings who are pursuing their 12th and 10th gradually.
Okay, and what else?
Sir, in terms of
Okay, fine. Yes, and yeah, you did your BDes, I guess.
yes,
You did your
yes.
BDes. Now, coming to MDes, don't you think? Did you work with any organization in like after your graduate or after being a graduate, or you didn't work?
Sir, I worked as a freelancer designer for a firm which is a startup firm, and it is Himachali based in Himachal, and it is known as Jalsa Startup. So
Okay,
basically, yes, sir.
Okay, great.
So
Yeah, great. I think why MDes after BDes? Why not MFM?
So because if I talk about MFM, it has a customer centric approach. Like it is basically work upon generating of revenues. And since I have done designing and my interest lies in innovating and designing the product. So that is the reason I want to go for MDes.
Okay. What is MDes is all about?
So MDes is a research-based program, and it has it has four categories like design for society, strategy design, experience design, and sorry.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear
And
you.
theoretical
Please.
design. And
Okay,
theoretical
great.
design.
Okay, great. So, what do you understand by what is the market size of this accessory design of India? In India, what is the market size of accessory design? Do you have any idea about it?
Sir, I don't know the exact percent, but it has a very vast market size. Since if we see like basic accessories, like it can be of home decor, lamps, and all these stuffs, and also footwear, specs, and bags. So in India, like all of the people are using them. So it has a very vast size in market.
Okay. Where do you see yourself after 5 years?
So if I got to get NIFT, then obviously for 2 years I would be exploring the different aspects of the subjects, and I will be conceptualizing it in terms of projects and my learnings. And after that, I am probably looking for a role in private, but preferably government organization, which work for like tourism sector or women empowerment or handicraft generation. And I'm also parallelly looking for a teaching profile after my masters.
You are looking for so many things, so you didn't fix up, what exactly you are looking for.
So, but my primary focus is on teaching line only.
Teaching line. So where you want to teach? Why you want to teach and where you want to teach?
So because if I talk about a profession of teacher, like it is a ever learning field. Like you got to get different type of exposure, like you connect to different minds, और हमें अलग अलग चीजों के बारे में पता चलता है. Since I have seen my parents working as a teacher from childhood, so like they share different thoughts and we see different things. So teacher for me is a very versatile profile. And other than that, sir, can you please pardon your second question?
Where you want to teach?
Sir, I want to teach in NIFT only.
NIFT. Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
So, as you said, you have seen your parents, they both are teachers. So, what is the one thing that teacher has a very different that kind of skill no one has? One thing I'm asking.
Sir, I think the connectivity. Like because as a teacher, if I am a teacher, it is very important for me to share my observation और जो मेरे अंदर thoughts है मैं बच्चों को समझा पाऊँ and वो उनको समझ भी पाए और learn भी कर पाए. So it is a very key thing which a teacher have.
Okay, fine. So, like teaching, I think you did your BDS. I think after working 3 or 4 years, you can be a teacher. So why to just waste another 2 years in again studying MDes, then going to teaching? So what is the requirement? Just I need to understand that.
Sir, because I want to get a proper exposure. Like as a teacher, I want to be perfect from my side also. Like मैं इंडस्ट्री में काम कर सकती हूँ और टीचर भी बन सकती हूँ, बट एज अ टीचर मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि मैं उस एनवायरनमेंट में रह के कनेक्ट कर सकूँ और वहां से चीजें सीख सकूँ. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू गो फॉर एमडीएस फर्स्ट.
Okay, great. I'm done with Rashmi. Quick feedback you can give like to Ayushi.
Yes. Ayushi, the way you communicated, the way you presented yourself, it's quite good. And otherwise, and you're knowledgeable also. There are certain things you have to be specific to the point of what you're choosing. See, there will be questions like this, like why don't you want to work instead of pursuing immediately? So there is gaining of practical knowledge is also really important if you want to pursue go into teaching, right? That gives a broader good so you should have an answer for that. Why immediately instead of working? Why MDes? And you should have a proper answer for that. So that is one thing which definitely they would ask, I think. Otherwise, overall it's good. All the best.
Okay, thank you ma'am.
Ayushi, it's good that you answer all the questions. That is very good thing that at least you are answering all the questions. So second thing, I just the feedback is like I found you very fast. Fine.
Okay.
I found you very fast that even I'm not able to understand some of your ideas.
Okay, sir.
Just try to be not so fast so that no one can understand your ideas.
Okay.
Second, my feedback. Fine. And I found you more structured, more like it is like, see, sometimes I tell you one thing. When you interact with someone, we are both here to interact with you. Fine.
Right.
So first thing, I think you are very good with your answers. So, but again, it is not questions and answer session. It is all about we all are here to interact with each other. I am eager to know about you. When I ask about your family, then you stopped yourself. Do you really feel that your family is only limited to whatever you said? talk about the values they have created inside you. You do not talk about the what they are doing. See, we
Okay.
learn so many things. I tell you one thing
Yeah.
which is very important here. When we talk about our parents, I think when you talk about mother, when we talk about our father, then why we take them as a work? They say, like, suppose as if they it is their duty. Yes, I do understand it is their duty, but again, you have to explain your parents in such a way that other will feel, what are the values you have inherited from them. Fine,
Okay.
what are the ethics, what are the values, what is the social responsibility you have learned from them. You need to explain it that way. Fine, do not say what they are. Yeah, both are teachers, so since my childhood, this kind of qualities which is only being developed by because of them. Fine,
Okay.
you are not saying it you are not saying something where you have to speak from your heart. You are talking only with your mouth and logic, which is
Okay.
sometimes when we talk about family, do you really are, when someone is talking about your dear ones, then do you really feel that we are so logical there? No. Then why that thing is coming in your words? If we
Okay.
don't, if we everything we will take from our words and the logic, then there is no any emotions, there is no any connectivity, nothing is there. So talk actually what you feel about them. So that is
Okay.
very important. And I found you more structure means it was not all about question and answer, it was all about interaction. So when you interact with someone, then in that case we have to very comfortable. You are here just answering the questions. No, we don't have to be like this. You have to very comfortable, you have to very confident. Then you have to answer, not answer, you have to respond to our questions. I just correct you,
Okay,
this is
sir.
not you
Okay,
are
sir.
answering our question. These are the very basic question that we are asking. So you are not answering our question, you are responding to our questions.
Okay,
So
sir.
the way you are responding, the way you are keeping a smile on your face, the way you confident, the way your body gesture is, we will count each and everything while answering the question. So do not ever think that we are interested for knowing your answer. We know everything. We know each and everything. But
Okay, sir.
the primary thing
Okay,
is
sir.
that we really want the way you are responding to our query and the way we are
Okay, sir.
responding to our questions. Fine, that is very important. And
Okay.
also go through in detail. Yeah, see, sometimes you read a lot. Yeah, you just go through a NIFT website, you know what is NIFT MDES, MFM, MFTech. But again, do not talk what you have read. Fine. You have to say those things in your own words. It seems that you have read those things and you summarizing something in your mind, then you are just expressing, not you're not expressing, you are answering the questions. Express.
Okay. Okay.
When you are expressive, then your everything speaks. Your eyes say so many things, your words say, your body gesture say. So just we will count each and everything. So that is very important. You need to learn these small things, otherwise I don't find that you'll be able to score a good marks. Fine. And
Okay.
also this camera, I can see only this part of yours. Make our passport size of photo, see the video, see the portion of a proper, it is very half cut kind of thing is coming out. Fine. So that we can also learn about the way
Okay.
you are moving your hand, the way you are talking about yourself, so that how I can see your hand. So so these things are very important. Keep the camera in the right position so that we can get your body language idea also. Fine.
Okay, sir.
That is all about my feedback. Rest, I think, what's your PI date, Yushi?
So 19th.
19th.
Yes.
And you are from BDS background, so they'll have more expectation from you.
Okay,
So
sir.
never, because you're not a normal graduate. You did your already BDS, you have completed. So just get ready with all the question. What do you understand? What is the industry growth rate and everything? Fine.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Thank you. That is all about, and all the best. We'll, if we get time, then we'll meet for another mock PI. Fine.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
Ayushi. We'll get
Thank you,
back
sir.
to you like whenever the second mock PI will be scheduled. Okay.